Welcome back to my morning pot analysis videos on Wednesday, 18th of July with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's look at euro dollar, which has sort of lost that sort of consolidation element to it, or certainly is losing, because we've sort of had an intraday move below 1610. It hasn't held the break, not in a decisive way, but these two negative candles that we're getting through this chart now on a near-term basis certainly having an impact. And a close below 1610 would certainly sort of suggest that we're sort of moving back towards the lows of the range again. These are key lows, these range lows. 1505 has been tested a sort of 2 or 3 times, held up so far, but the concern comes with these sort of momentum indicators, which are beginning to look a bit more negative again. RSI is still above 40, so not exceptionally negative yet, but I think that the MACD lines are beginning to sort of look as though they're about to cross lower. Stochastics are crossing lower, and yeah, if you start to see the RSI below 40 on a decisive basis, then yeah, we could start to sort of have to think about retesting the lows again. 1610, as I said, initial support of last week's low, and a closing break below that is really sort of looking at that breakdown. What we're looking at also on today's measure is this sort of dollar strength we've got, but there's a slight sort of stretched element to the momentum indicators on a very near-term basis. You could see a little bit of a consolidation or sort of slight unwind, but to be honest, it's all fairly sort of negatively configured now, and sort of little intraday rallies would tend to be seen as a chance to sell because you've got all these moving averages falling away. You've got the resistance that's sort of around that sort of 1665 area overnight, and yeah, it's all sort of edging towards that downside break, but we haven't decisively seen it yet. But tonight, if we do see a closing break of 1610, then yeah, you're looking at a downside. 1590 is a little reaction low that we saw beginning of July, but yeah, basically 15 big figure comes back into play then. So I wish you good luck in trading, and I'll speak to you later.